Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Rust to Zendesk, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect Rust to Zendesk, first, ensure you have a working Rust environment set up on your local machine. Install Rust using RustUp if you haven't already. Once Rust is installed, create a new Rust project using the command cargo new rust_zendesk_integration. Navigate into the project directory with cd rust_zendesk_integration. Next, add the required dependencies to your cargo.toml file. Include the request crate for making HTTP requests. You might also want to include the CERD crate for JSON serialization and deserialization. Open your src/main.rs file to start writing the code. Import the necessary libraries at the top of the file. You'll need request, CERD, and CERD_JSON. Create a struct that represents the data you want to send to Zendesk. Define the fields in your struct that map to Zendesk's API requirements. Next, implement the main function in the main.rs file. Use an asynchronous runtime to make the HTTP requests. Initialize a new HTTP client instance using request client anew. Build the request to Zendesk's API endpoint. Specify the correct HTTP method for your operation. Set the header to include your Zendesk API token for authentication. Convert your data struct into JSON format. Attach the JSON data to your request. Send the request and await the response. Check the response status to ensure the operation was successful. Handle any errors that may arise during the HTTP request process. Optionally, log the response data for debugging purposes. Finally, run your Rust application using cargo run to test the connection. You should now have a working integration between Rust and Zendesk. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.